Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make chicken tikka kebabs, which are prepared with absolutely tender, juicy, boneless chicken pieces that are marinated, then skewered, and baked in the oven to perfection. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the chicken tikka kebabs. Preparatory step: preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method: add the lemon juice, salt, aromatic salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri Chilli Powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, and Greek yogurt to the chicken in the mixing bowl. Then add in the coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, Garam Masala powder, Chaat Masala powder, Chilli Flakes, black pepper powder, oil, and gram flour. Feel free to increase or decrease the amount of chili powder, chili flakes, and pepper powder to adjust the spice levels to your taste and liking. Then mix it together. Then cover and marinate in the fridge overnight for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then remove from the fridge and carefully thread the marinated chicken pieces onto a skewer. Repeat the previous step and thread the remaining chicken pieces onto the skewers. Now place the skewers on a baking tray that has been lined with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Then remove from the oven after 10 minutes and brush the top with melted butter or oil. Now turn over and brush the other side with melted butter and oil. Then bake for another 8 to 10 minutes, after which you can grill or broil on high for 3 to 4 minutes until nicely charred and cooked through. Then serve hot with sliced onions, lemon wedges, and plenty of salad, or with any other accompaniment of your choice. And there you have it, extra juicy and tender chicken tikka kebabs full of the best flavors. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.